Hello YouTube, it is Bullet Envy. Figured I would make you guys a video on something that I just found that I honestly thought was too cool not to do a video on. So if you're a man, woman, you use a chainsaw, sucks to pay $20, $30, whatever for a chain every time it gets dull, which happens fast. So might as well learn to sharpen it. I didn't feel like it, or I hadn't had the time to learn the old timer way. Found this little guy. I got this particular one on a website called Temu just because I was bored looking around, and it was $5. It was cheap. I was like, I'll try it and just see what it's all about. And I love that orange, that burnt orange color. One of my favorites. Comes with that, comes with that, comes with their directions. Get those out of here. All right. So man, I'm impressed with this thing. It's just a cheap Chinese knockoff, but I mean, it works. It works great. So I do plan on getting a more quality one of these, maybe American made, shortly. But in this video today, I'm going to put this on the chainsaw. I got a steel chainsaw right here. It's dull. I cut some trees today, and I'm going to show you before and after. Okay, so this thing does have quite a learning curve at the beginning, and I just wanted to save you guys the trouble and honestly do it for you. Untighten all knobs, set her down. Then you're going to take the rod that comes with it. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. We're going to slide that right in there. Let's scoot it up a bit. See if you guys can see it. So basically, you set it on, you find your tooth. Let's go in a little bit. So, see that rod? It's not the easiest thing to do, but it's definitely easier than the other way. At least, until I learn. Alright, so we found the tooth. Then you tighten all these knobs down. Tighten the middle one down. Okay. And then now you can rotate your chain freely. So I'm going to pause this and try to get a better angle so you guys can see. Okay. So you take your rod, you put it in the back. There's one hole that goes this way and one hole that comes this way. And for each tooth, you just use one or the other slots. So let's put her in there. Okay. And then this you actually use to tighten up and push the back of the tooth snug up against it. And then you just turn. And you can, as you scrape material off of the tooth, you can turn even more. And this will give you a perfect cut every time. I think it's factory angle too. So do that a couple times. Back this off. Pull your rod out. Go to the next tooth. You'll skip right over it and then back it in to this, the back of this tooth. Then come from the other side. You might have to, oh yeah, you will have to back this out a little bit more each time. There. Got a nice fit. Now crank her down. See, nice and snug. And start cranking. Yeah, I got the chain. I have this in a vise and tripods and everything, so it's kind of, basically you just keep spinning, keep tightening until you have the desired material removed. This one was pretty dull. Okay, that's it. Loosen her back up, pull your rod out, skip to the next tooth, lock it, put it in the other hole, Just kind of play around with the chain till you find that, and tighten it all the way back up to the end of that tooth. And start cutting. Okay, back that off and repeat. So I wish I had somebody tell me that before I bought this one. I basically just had to figure it out on my own. So now I'm going to show you the difference in the teeth. Alright, so this tooth right here, I mean it's not super dull, but you can just kind of tell. And then we go to the one we just did, and look at that edge. I mean, it's perfect every time. And you'll have to clean out the shavings and stuff. You can blow it out with an air compressor, but those are the two different teeth. I mean, it just works really well. You can sit out here for 20 minutes. I mean, it's such a great angle on it. And see, I did not do this one, but I did do that one. So for $5, this thing works pretty dang good. And they have other ones. You can probably get a really nice one for $50 to $100. So it's a good way to save you some money on chains. And pretty cool looking too. If you need to spend some time by yourself, thinking, doing man things, sharpening your chainsaw, it's great. You can get this particular one on Temu, T-E-M-U. It was $5. So if you don't have a lot of money to spend on, you know, a really good quality one, I mean, this one's been good so far. Over time, you will have to probably replace these rods. So, but for $5, you just get the whole kit. So get yourself a nice sharpened chainsaw. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching my content. Please like, subscribe, and you guys are awesome. Have a good day.